Student, welcome to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of the M.L. Agrawal from the books of the M.L. Agrawal class 9, 2 or 3 sums. Okay, now the list of one sum is there. If very important sum, 2 to the power x that is equal to 3 to the power y. Okay, clear? 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power z. Okay, now prove that, okay, prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z that is equal to 0. Suppose 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. So no problem. That is a different pattern of the sum. Now in case of this, you just remind the ratio proportion chapter and this. Suppose let first here 2 to the power x that is equal to 3 to the power y that is equal to 6 to the power z. Okay. Suppose we take this is equal to k. Okay. So now actually this is 2 to the power x is equal to k. Now what's the value of 2 now? So 2 to the power x, just you multiply 1 by x. Here is also multiply k to the power 1 by x. Now this is start. So 2 is actually k to the power 1 by x. In this way, clear? So in this way, you solve 3 to the power y, 3 to the power 3 is equal to, actually you write directly, 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by y. 3 to the power y is equal to k. So 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by y. And in case of 6, that is equal to 6 to the power z. 6 to the power z is equal to k. So 6 is equal to k to the power 1 by z. You write in this way. No problem. First one. If 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power z, then prove this. Okay, no problem at all. Now, just in case of the ratio proportion chapter, just taking k, 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power z is equal to k. Now, so that means 2 to the power x is equal to k. Now, what's the value of k? So 2 to the power x is just you multiply 1 by x. Here is also power multiply 1 by x. That means this cut 2 to the power x is equal to k to the power 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. So same as this, 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by y and 6 is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Now one thing is there. Hey, here is now the wrong sum. This is the minus z. Here is 6. 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power minus z. So here is minus z. Okay, so that means this is actually 1, this is minus, so this is actually minus 1 by 6. The wrong copy here, this is minus. So this is minus, so 1 by 6. Clear? 1 by 6 equal, because this is the minus. No problem. Actually this 6 minus z, you just multiply this 1 by z, that is equal to k to the power 1 by z. So this is start, actually 6 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by k to the power 1 by z. So you write 6 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 6 is equal to k to the power 1 by z. So this is the way. Clear? Now just here 1 by 6 you write 1 by 6 you write 2 into 3, that is equal to k to the power 1 by z you write. Now 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into this is 1 by 3, that is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Now what's the value of 2? 2 is this. What's the value of 2? K to the power 1 by x. Now what's the value of 3? 3 is 3. What's the value of 3? K to the power 1 by y. That is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Clear? Now, if you just multiply this, actually, so k to the power 1 by x into k to the power 1 by y into this k to the power 1 by z, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. So these are same. So k to the power, this is 1 by x plus this is 1 by y plus this is 1 by z. That is, in place of 1 you write k to the power 0, because you know a to the power 0 is 1. You know a to the power 0 is 1. So these are 1. That means you know this is the a to the power 0 is 1. So base are same, equal is sign. So this is the value. So 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Proof. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 0. Proof. Okay, no problem. Just I repeat the sum. One thing. দেখো এখানে বলো if 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y is equal to, just I missing here, 6 to the power minus z. Prove that this. Now, in case of this 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power minus z. Okay. Suppose that means 2 to the power x is equal to k. In this way, we just multiply this. So this is this. 2 is equal to 1 by x. So same is 3 is equal to 1 by y. This is 1 by 6 equal to k to the power z, because minus. I just solve it here. Now 1 by 6, you just write in this way 2 into 3. This is k to the power 1 by z. Now from here 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by z. In place of 2, you just put the value k to the power 1 by x. In case of 3, you write this. Just to multiply this. So k to the power 1 by x, k to the power 1 by y into this, that is equal to 1. So now these are the base are same, power will be added. So in place of 1, you write k to the power 0, because a to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So in this way you solve it. So prove that means this. So this part is 0. Clear? So 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is 0. Clear? Now the next one. I just show you different pattern. Just to understand this, the interest is grow in the indices. Okay. Now the next sum. Suppose if, what is the sum? Sum will be very carefully, you just copy. If 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y equal to 12 to the power z. 12 to the power z. Okay. Prove that this is x is equal to 2yz by y minus z. That is the sum. Just you see, if 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to, this is 12 to the power z, prove that 2yz, this is this. No problem. The same process you follow. You just let 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y equal to 12 to the power z. You take this is equal to k. This is equal to k. So same as the previous sum. So 2 to the power x is equal to k. 2 to the power x is equal to k. So actually 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. K to the power 1 by x. Same as, just you last sum discuss this. So 2 to the power settle. Just I show you. 2 to the power x is equal to k. So this is multiplied by 1 by x. This is also 1 by x. You cut off this. So this is 2. 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. In this way. Okay. In this way. So now this is 3. So here is 3. 3 also, this is k to the power 1 by y. 1 by y. And 12. This is 12. That is 12 is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Z. Clear? Clear? Now one thing is there, 12, just you write 12 is actually 4 into 3, just you write in this way, 2 square into 3. No problem, no problem. Clear? So in place of 12 you write, just you convert all these thing in k. 12 you write in this way, 1 by z. Now 4 means actually 2 square, and in place of 3 you write k to the power 1 by y. And here the next line, 2 means k to the power 1 by x to the power square into this is k to the power 1 by y. That is ultimately k to the power 2 by x, and the power will be, the base are same, power will be added 1 by y. Clear? 1 by z. So base are same, this is k to the power 1 by z. So ultimately this is 1 by z, that is equal to 2 by x plus 1 by y. This is ultimate. Clear? Clear? Now find the value of x. You just separate the value. Just I rub the sum here. Okay. The place will be very short. So here I just rub. Okay. Now find the value of x. So x is separate. Just do shifting. So 1 by z minus, this is 1 by y. That is equal to 2 by x, you know. So this is actually yz, LCM is yz, and this is minus y, this is minus z. That is equal to 2 by x. Okay. So just I reverse. Okay. So just I reverse this, x to the power 2, that is equal to yz to the power y minus z. Just to reverse this. Okay. Reciprocal of this. Now what's the value of x? So x is equal to, now x is equal to, this is 2 is multiplied 2yz by y minus z. Okay, y minus z. Clear? Just I write here x by 2. This is x by 2. This is x by 2 is equal to this yz by y minus z. So what's the value of x? X is equal to, this is 2yz by y minus z. Clear? So in this way you solve the sum. Clear? Okay. Now just I repeat the sum. This. If this, prove that this. That means you know 2 by 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y, 12 to the power z. Just you take k. So actually 2 is equal to, you know, 1 by x, 3 is 1 by y, and 12 is 1 by z. 12 is 1 by z. Just 12 you break in this way. 4 into 3. 4 means 2 square into 3. Okay. In place of 12 you write k to the power 1 by z. This is 4 means 2 square. And in place of 3 you write 1 by 1. So okay. Now this is 2 square. In what is the value of 2? 2 is 1 by x square, and this. So actually this 2x, and this is, now the base are same. So 1 by z is equal to this part. 1 by z equal to this part. Find the value of x. Just use shifting this. That means 1 by z minus 1 by y. This is 2yx. So this is the LCM, y minus z this. So just you reverse y minus z by y by z, this x. So x by 2, that is equal to yz by this. So what's the value of x? 2 into this. That will prove. Okay. So in this way you solve the sum. No problem at all. Very interesting sum. You just do it on in your home. If you just interested to in maths. So this is my motto actually. Okay. If you just properly understand and like this, so please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you for thank you. Thank you.